not make a scene. Let's get ready. Get those two hands wet. A splatterdesplatterdesplat. Some soap on it. A flubberdeflubberdeflub. Spread it everywhere. The bottom and top side. Between your fingers as well. Plopperdeplopperdeplop. And do not forget your thumbs. And now we rinse them clean. Rinse your hands with water. Splatterdesplatterdesplat. The bottom and top side. Turn and turn and turn around. Turn the water tap off. Make sure it doesn't drip. And shake your hands dry well. A shakety 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 shake. And now they're finally clean. Finally fresh and clean.